always been interested in cars, and I'm not very good with the engines, so I decided that I would take my artistic skills that I already have and use them to make the interior and exterior cars look better than they already do. Love the instructors. They know what they're talking about, they know what they're doing. I mean, Derek, for example, has built many custom cars. They're very informative and they're very good at what they teach.
I kind of always wanted to learn how to paint, and I've always been more the type to work on engines and transmissions and whatnot. So it's kind of fun, interesting, new thing for me, because the classes themselves are like a little bit smaller. So you have more like teacher or student-teacher time for somebody to explain something to you, where it's as like in a bigger school, you just have a bunch of people and the instructor can only teach. You can't really do much personal stuff. It's pretty fun. And using professional equipment's fun, having a spray booth instead of having to do it in your driveway.